So here's my mission today, folks. I found this abandoned tow matter and I'm gonna bring it back to life. Full cleanup, top to bottom. Alright, here we go. Look at this thing. Rust, moss, lichen. This has been sitting out here for years, forgotten by everyone. Alright, let's tow Mater back to the garage, give this rusty old tow truck a proper wash, and finally clean years of dirt and grime off his body. Alright, back on the road. Beautiful day out here. Perfect weather for what I've got planned. Here's our funny old Mater, looking goofy as ever with his big eyes, crooked teeth, and that classic rusty smile that makes him impossible not to love. Time to hit it with the pressure washer. This foam is gonna break down all that grime that's been building up for who knows how long. Just working my way around the body here. Gotta make sure every inch gets that foam treatment. The foam is doing its job. I can already see it eating away at that dirt. Years of neglect coming off. That crane arm, the hook, all covered in crud. But underneath all that, there's good metal waiting to shine again. I keep thinking, what's the story here? How long did this tow mater sit abandoned? Why did someone just leave it? Engine compartment getting a good rinse now. All that accumulated junk is finally washing away. Maximum pressure here, creating a fog of water and dirt. This is satisfying work, let me tell you. You can see the difference already. He's starting to look like a truck again. Now hitting the side panels, all that rust and grime running off in rivers, this is what I live for. Open doors, open hood. Every nook and cranny needs attention. That's how you do a proper cleaning job. Blasting the cab now, water mist everywhere. If you've ever done this, you know how messy it gets. The whole body is getting hit now. Pressure washing is basically power cleaning therapy for gearheads like me. That crane mechanism is heavy duty, 2-ton capacity. They built these trucks to last back in the day. Let me tell you, finding stuff like this reminds me of the old American highways and roadside garages. Water just pouring off now. Every pass reveals more of the original color underneath. Getting up close on the crane mechanism, these chains and hooks are the heart of any tow truck operation. Water flowing right through the bed now, washing out all that accumulated garbage and debris. Hitting the wheel now. The spray bounces off like crazy. Gotta watch where you're standing. Contents of the bed getting a good look. Red rim wheel, some wrapped materials. This truck carried a lot of history. My hand guiding the nozzle. Red gloves keeping me protected. This water pressure is no joke. Checking the bed interior here. Still dirty, but way better than before. Progress is happening. The bed is up, showing off all that equipment inside. Red wheel clearly visible now, looking good. Back to more intensive cleaning. Can't leave any spot untouched. That's not how I operate. One-ton capacity marked on that boom arm. Heavy equipment for serious towing jobs back in the day. Bed contents visible again. That red wheel and equipment getting cleaner with each pass. Water spraying off the surfaces now. Each pass makes a noticeable difference. This is the payoff. Upper structure getting hit now. Spray creating that white mist. Almost artistic in a way. Those eyes on the windshield shade are classic, gives Tow Mater some real personality. Looks like Mater didn't study too well back in school because he somehow managed to spell his own name with a mistake right on the truck. Classic goofy Mater moment. Let's reveal a little secret behind this satisfying wash. We're mixing special dye into the foam to create an absolutely incredible colorful foam effect all over Mater's rusty body. Back to the full view, those green eyes staring back. Tow Mater is watching the whole operation. More foam coverage on this one. Completely blue now. The cleaning agents are working hard. Cab door open, steering wheel visible, black interior waiting to be cleaned out too. Now it's time to scrub Matter down properly with a big brush, carefully cleaning every rusty panel, wheel, and corner to get all that stubborn dirt off him. Now into the engine bay, sprayer in my hand, going after all those components covered in years of neglect. Engine covered in thick foam, cables, pipes, everything getting saturated. This is thorough work. Down to the wheel level, dirty tire and metal rim caked with stuff. These need special attention. We need to remove all this junk first and clear up the back area so we have enough space to properly wash and work on Matter. My feet and the brush in hand. This is the work position. Hours spent standing right here. Looking down into the open cab with green trim, black surfaces, steering wheel, red item in the corner. We should unload the tow crane too and give it a proper wash. Wow, look at all that sand stuck on it. Seems like Matter brought half the desert straight from Radiator Springs with him. I seriously can't stop laughing every time I look at Mater's face with those goofy eyes and crooked teeth staring back at me. And there are those eyes again on the sunshade, tow modder watching me work. Both the eyes and the engine getting blasted now. Hose with the metal nozzle doing the work. Focused on the engine compartment, stream directed right at all those dirty components. Looking cleaner now, engine components visible, cylinders, pipes, wiring all coming through. Top-down view of the cab now. Black seat, open bed, black hydraulic equipment, all cleaned up. Wheel close-up, red rim with the marking, black tires still showing some dirt, getting there. Water shooting through the crane mechanism now, chain and hook getting their rinse. Crane structure after the wash, water drops and residue still visible, almost done though. Platform getting sprayed now, that 2-ton capacity boom handling the pressure just fine. Full side view of this brown tow truck. Empty platform, hydraulic arm, roof rails. Classic look. Water pounding the platform and side panels. Rust and dirt streaming off. This is the good stuff. Inside the bed filled with water now. Various items floating, ropes, equipment, all getting cleaned. My red glove holding the hose, spraying into the flooded bed. Aggressive cleaning here. Still working the bed contents. Rusty panel, rope spool, black container, all getting attention. Full view of tow mater now. Green and brown colors, water hitting the side and lower body. Right side and wheel getting blasted. Rust and grime washing away. The color is coming back. Back to the bed contents. Rusty panel with patina, rope, container with markings. History in here. My hand working the hose in the water-filled bed. Round reflectors and equipment visible now. Spraying through the open window now. Tom Mater getting cleaned inside and out. Full treatment. Step back for the big picture. Raised bed, water inside. What a project. And there he is. Tow mater all cleaned up with that personality showing through. Subscribe if you want to see more restorations like this one, folks.